Hi again. Yowie Scan Out. As we head into Christmas week, there are a number of updates and reminders that I need to share with our community. Unfortunately, I have to start today's message with sad news. Over the weekend, our nation suffered 3 tragic losses with the deaths of Steve Schindler, Daryl John, and Dave Gordon. Regretfully, some of these deaths were a result of COVID. Steve was a member of the Cattaraugus Fire Department for 23 years, serving his community as a firefighter and EMT for more than half his life. He was selected as fire chief for 9 consecutive years, and throughout his fire career was presented with the William Warrior Fire Chief of the Year Award. I know his Seneca Fire family is feeling this great loss. In addition to his fire service, Steve worked for both the Seneca Gaming Corporation and for the last several years at Seneca Gaming and Entertainment. He was a loving husband, father, son, brother, and a deep, loyal friend. Steve was only 44 years old. Likewise, Daryl John was a pillar in our community. Daryl was a dedicated volunteer, especially with the Allegany Arrows lacrosse team. Daryl dedicated countless hours to sharing and teaching the Creator's Game to many of our Seneca youth over the years. David Gordon, hot clan of Cattaraugus, survived by his wife Carol, children Dion, Daniel, Valerie, and Christine, siblings Richard and Gloria, as well as 17 grandchildren and 18 great-grandchildren. He was a licensed dental lab tech, as well as a licensed welder and plumber. David was a talented artist and musician. He loved being with his family and friends. I ask our entire community to keep their family in your thoughts. We certainly mourn with them and feel the loss throughout our entire nation. This news about our nation is just the latest reminder of the serious danger the coronavirus presents to us. We need to get this situation under control. This holiday is going to be much different. Let's not make the holiday season one of regret by needlessly putting ourselves and others at risk. As always, please wear your masks, practice social distancing and regular hand washing. As always, limit your interactions with others. Even if we can't be together, we can take care of one another. Let's be safe. As a reminder, we have the upcoming testing events. Today, the 21st, at the CCC. Cattaraugus Fire on the 28th, both from 3 to 5 p.m. At the Allegany DPW on December 22nd and 29th, from 3 to 5 as well. Additional testing dates for January are coming soon. Please try and pre-register prior to your test. Once you've been tested, you must self-quarantine until you receive a negative result. To help with our community response, the nation is holding a drive-through PPE distribution right now till 5 p.m. This will include masks, hand sanitizer, and disinfecting wipes. The locations are going to be in the parking lots of the ACC and CCC. If you're seeing this message and need those supplies, please come on down. The nation is still awaiting word from the federal IHS as to when we can expect to receive our first allocation of COVID vaccine doses. We anticipate this will happen this week. Once we know when the vaccines will be arriving, we will make preparations for our phased distribution plan. We must all understand that these first supplies will not be enough for every Seneca. The first phase will focus on our elders and the adults who are deemed to be at higher risk because of underlying medical conditions and risk factors, and of course our frontline healthcare workers and first responders. As more vaccines become available, we will expand our outreach to include critical populations who were not vaccinated in that first phase, and eventually vaccine access for our entire Seneca Nation. We will keep you updated on our distribution plan and when we expect our initial vaccine allotment to arrive. If you have any questions about the vaccine itself, please contact your healthcare provider. Our goal is to make the vaccine available to everyone on our territories who wishes to receive it, in the hope of emerging from the months-long struggle as a strong, healthy, and safe Seneca community. As we prepare for the upcoming holidays, the Seneca Nation Council is sponsoring a Seneca Elders Holiday Drive-Thru on December 23rd from 11:30 to 1:30. Each enrolled elder and a guest will receive a meal and a mask while supplies last. The events will take place at the CCC and Allegany DPW. To register, please call your council office, Cattaraugus, at 532-4900, extension 5401, or Allegany, 945-1790, extension 3601 or 3606. This year has challenged us beyond imagination, but it's coming to a close. My wish is that every Seneca enjoys a happy, safe, and healthy holiday season. A new year is coming with the hope for brighter days ahead. Let's stay strong together by keeping apart. Nyawi.